Need a really quick gift idea? This super cozy scarf sews up in no time and you only need 1/2 metre of fleece.
Cut a piece of fleece 22 inches deep by the width of the fabric. If your fleece has a visible selvage edge, remove this before starting. Fold the fleece in half on the long edge and sew the raw edges together using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then reach inside the tube and turn the whole thing through to the right side. Centre the seam at the back of the scarf. Grab a ruler and measure 6 inches in from the short edge. Mark this with chalk, then sew along the marked line. Using your ruler and chalk, draw horizontal lines at 1/2 inch intervals from the raw edge to the stitch line. Use a pair of scissors to cut along the lines, creating fringing for your scarf. Cut close to, but do not cut through the stitches. Repeat the fringing on the other end of your scarf. Now your scarf is complete.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And make sure you head over to our website where we have a range of online sewing classes, many of which are also free.